Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the 9th group with the members Nurwilda, Ermayanti, Diatimut Maina. And then our memory is about mirror reflections. We will explain to you about first, what is teaching aid, second of all, what is mirror reflection, the third is the function of mirror reflection, the next is the tools and material of mirror reflections, the next is how to make mirror reflection and how to use it, and the last is the advantage and disadvantage of mirror reflection. First, about what is teaching aids and the function of it. One of the efforts to optimize the learning of mathematics is math learning by teaching aids. The use of teaching aids is very important for the success of learning. In other side, also very helpful for educator in conveying a concept, especially math lesson, which sometimes require tools to be easily understood by the students. There are many types of teaching aids that considering students' grade level, corresponding interest and ability, such as mirror reflection, GeoGebra, and the others. Next is what is mirror reflections. Mathematics students in 9 and 11 grade are studying about reflections and it's quite difficult to explain about. Using teaching aids, especially mirror to explain it, will help students to be easily understood. Teacher will directly show how reflections look like, so the understanding of students about reflections is not an abstract anymore. So, what actually the functions of mirror? A mirror can also be used to find bisector of triangle, construct a parallel line, to complete congruent coplanar circle. Using mirror, we can find the reflection of shape, line, and other. Not only find the reflection, but also we use it to find the perpendicular bisector, line of symmetry, and also help you to be easily draw the reflection of shape itself.
Next is how to make the mirror tools. First, we must know what tools and materials that we need. They are 1 layer 9 cm x 15 cm translucent acrylic, and then 2 layers 9 cm x 5 cm translucent acrylic, and the last is glue. After we have all the tools and materials, we just put the 2 layers 9 cm x 5 cm translucent acrylic to the end of the another acrylic using the glue. We can see at the picture below. Then, in here, we can see what will we do by these tools. First is, we can see the reflection of line segment. And the second is, we can see the reflection of the shape. We just need the line or shape, and then we can see the reflection by put the mirror beside the line or the shape.
The implementation of mirror reflection. Mirrors help students in geometry with the concept of symmetry and reflection as a transformation into dimensional geometry. The mirror has the advantages over the mirror in that it allows students to continue to see their original image at all times. When using a mirror, students lose sight of the complete original at whatever point they place the mirror. The mirror focuses students to map one image over another to varied degrees, but nevertheless, this mapping and moving of the mirror opens door to conceptual understanding of reflection. Then, once students understand how to use the mirror, they are then able to go further by tracking their reflection. This is done by looking through the mirror and tracing the image in a surplaying, intuitive way. Once the mirror is removed, the student is all of the component of transformation left behind on paper. Advantages and disadvantages. First, advantages of teaching aids by mirror reflection. The first is developing the level of the student's mind and thinking. And next, make students use these tools more. And then, keep all information in the made student for a long time. Next, make the student perform the activities on their own, and then developing the student's mind. And the last is give full understanding and accuracy of the lesson. Meanwhile, the disadvantages of teaching aids in mathematics by mirror reflection, that is, of this tool is that is still rarely used among students, so this tool is still looking who wear it.
That's all about mirror reflection, and thank you very much.